Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 0.35% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.18% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 9.36% over the next 3 months, with an estimated return ranging from negative 9.87% to 27.43%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month outlook predicts a change of about 19.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 10.29% and 93.21% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $294.68 and $634.68. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock downgraded to hold, accumulate. The Tesla stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.352% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. The stock price decreased from $329.65 to $328.49. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.4%, reaching a low of $326.88 and a high of $338. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.75% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which, while concerning, can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically follows stock price trends. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 20 million shares, with a total of 74 million shares transacted, amounting to approximately $24.18 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $488.54, while the lowest price was $182. Currently, the price is 32.76%, or $160.05, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. In recent developments surrounding Tesla, several key factors could significantly impact its stock price in both the short and long term. A driver recently testified in a federal trial about Tesla's Autopilot system failing to prevent a fatal crash in 2019. This could raise concerns about the safety of Tesla's autonomous features, potentially leading to regulatory scrutiny and impacting consumer trust. Additionally, the California Department of Motor Vehicles is seeking a 30-day suspension of Tesla sales, claiming the company misleads drivers regarding its autopilot and full self-driving features. Should the Department of Motor Vehicles take action, this could lead to temporary disruptions in sales and negatively affect investor sentiment. Despite these setbacks, Tesla is approaching a critical earnings report this Wednesday, with projections suggesting the company could break through the $350 mark. The stock has already gained over 50% since April, demonstrating strong momentum. On the legal front, Tesla has settled a lawsuit against Louisiana over a ban on direct vehicle sales, which may facilitate smoother operations in that market. Moreover, Tesla's international expansion continues, albeit with challenges, as seen with its Model Y debut in India, carrying a $70,000 price tag due to import tariffs. the company may also benefit from its energy and services units, which are expected to contribute positively to earnings amid fluctuating electric vehicle sales. In summary, while immediate regulatory and safety concerns pose risks, strong earnings potential and strategic settlements could counterbalance these effects, influencing Tesla's stock dynamics in the near future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was recorded that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Wedbush reported a positive rating for Tesla, also with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, William Blair assigned Tesla a market perform rating, indicating a downgrade. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, Benchmark gave Tesla a buy rating, along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, UBS assigned a sell rating to Tesla while also recommending a hold. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On declines, there will be some support from the levels at $320.06 and $319.82. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and so far, it has fallen by 9.48%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have signaled a sell action 38 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 111 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell action 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 38 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $295.14 and $284.95. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $295.14. If this support is broken, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $284.95 and $284.70. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.12 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.4%. During the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 3.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a crucial metric that measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This exceptionally high PE ratio indicates that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is common for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, The next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.4 of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $334.07. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $295.14. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 11, 2025, James Murdoch conducted an insider purchase of 90,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, James Murdoch also conducted an insider sale of 90,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, which is the right to buy. On July 7, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja executed an insider sale of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock option. The following day, on July 8, Vaibhav Taneja conducted another insider sale of 2,000 shares of non-qualified stock option. On July 7, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja also made an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.307. In total, insiders acquired 1,101,482 shares and sold 2,802,883 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $309.11, reflecting a decline of 5.9%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top that was identified 37 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may wish to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment for this stock from a buy to a hold since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, July 22nd, we anticipate Tesla will open higher by $2.63, beginning at $331.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It's important not to base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.